Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this isn't my usual sort of content, it's just an update on the channel and how I am doing getting monetized. I couldn't find very much information about monetizing a automotive channel on YouTube, so I thought I would make the videos as I go along to get to monetization, which I thought would take me 3 or 4 months or more, but that might not be the case. So, if you didn't see the previous video, just to give you a recap, 7 days ago I had 10,500 views, I had 143 subscribers, and I had 634 watch hours. Now, to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So they're the key metrics, they're the two. Views doesn't really matter. Views matter once you're monetized, but at the moment, to me, the more views the better. But actually, to get to the goal of monetization, we've got to look at those two other things, subscribers and watch time. 7 days on, where am I? Well, I've now had 33,200 views, which is an increase of 22,700. I've gone from 143 subscribers to 409. That is 266 additional subscribers in 1 week. Watch time hours, I had 634. I've now got 2,600. That's an increase of 1,966 watch hours. So if we break that down to a daily amount, daily additions, views not so worried about at the moment. That was 3,243 views per day on average. Now actually the weekend seemed to peak. I had a video that I posted a few weeks ago, one of my first, about my Rolls Royce, that hadn't really performed that well. It was just over 1,000 views, and my Range Rover videos were getting many more views than that, 8,000 views. But for some reason at the weekend, the algorithm found the audience that needed to see it, and now that's up to 16,000 views in just a couple of days. So that's what's really helped. And that's brought with it 38 additional subscribers on average per day across the week and 280 watch hours. And I was aiming in my previous video to get monetized 47 days after last week's video. And that was based upon the previous 5 days averages. Well, that put us to the 20th of September. But now, if we look at my channel, which has got some subscribers and it's got some watch hours, and we take 38 views per day as an average over the last week and apply it moving forwards, I wouldn't be 47 days getting monetized. I'd be just another 15 days. And actually, on watch time hours, 280 a day I've been averaging. I've only got 1,400 left that I need to hit that 4,000 mark. So I'd do that in 5 days. And I would be monetized on that metric. Now, I do need both to be monetized. I can't just have one or the other. It's got to be both together. So if we take the fact that 5 days time I may have hit the 4,000 hours, the big one is the subscribers. I need some subscribers. But if I can maintain that 38 subscribers a day, then 15 days time I should be monetized. And that takes it from the 20th of September, which is what we were aiming for last week, and pulls it all the way back to the 26th of August, which is absolutely superb. That means that 47 days was my original target, and it turns it into a total of 22 days. I was not expecting that. I thought we would be here for months and months and months of me churning out content, nobody watching it. And believe me, the first 2 videos, nobody did watch, and I'm quite happy about that. But I just wanted to say thank you very much for supporting the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for putting those hours of watch time in. It means an awful lot. And if we can hit monetization just 22 days after my first update video, I think that's absolutely incredible. And it should spur you on, potentially, if you're sat at home thinking, should I start a YouTube channel? Well, actually, if I can do it with very little knowledge and just a small Sony camera, then you can too. Pick up the camera, press record, get going. Anyway, That's the update on the channel. We're still heading for the 20th of September as the backstop, but let's try and hit the 26th of August because that's much better. I will have some more updates on the Range Rover. I will have some more updates on the Rolls Royce. I will give you a video this week and a tour of this van that I'm sitting in, which I promised last week, but with weather and summer holidays and children around, I haven't got around to it yet. The other thing is the gearbox in the Rolls Royce isn't quite as smooth as I would like, and it just jolts occasionally, especially when you're coming up to a junction. It just goes second to first. It's a little jolt, not very Rolls Royce like. Speaking to Rolls Royce in Essex, they said they outsource gearbox work to a separate company. However, I know someone that does engines and gearboxes like that locally to me in Brighton. I may as well use someone that I know locally. So that's my plan, and we might be able to get that squeezed in the next week or two. I'm just waiting to hear back on a slot. Anyway, quick update on the channel, quick update on the figures, going brilliantly. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for so much for commenting as well. I get hundreds of comments. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It will really, really help the channel. And without your help, I can't do all the work I would like to do to restore that Rolls Royce back to A1 condition. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.